Good morning, sir. This is Cse-G from Computer Science and Engineering. Today my topic is line integral. Let me explain you about line integral. Introduction. Line integral. We define a simple closed curve C along function f by the definite integral, and it is denoted by integral f bar into dx bar, where f bar is an any constant vector and r bar is equals to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Di is equals to dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar, and f is equals to f1i bar plus f2j bar plus f3k bar, where f is a function of f of x y z, and we define a single variable function of t. Integral f bar into dr bar is equals to integral c of f1i bar plus f2j bar plus f3k bar plus into dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar, integral c of f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz, integral c of f bar into dr bar equals to integral f bar into dr by dt into dt. So question given to me is evaluate the line integral of integral x square plus xy into dx plus x square plus y square into dy, where c is the square formed by the lines x equals to 1, x equals to minus 1, y is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. So let me explain your solution. First, given integral x square plus y square xy into dx plus x square plus x square y square into dy. Let me explain you the diagram. First, we have take the x-axis and y-axis. We have draw negative axis also, positive as well as negative. First, a point is on minus x and minus y. So the point will be minus 1 comma minus 1, and b point is on x and minus y. So point will be b of 1 comma minus 1, and c is on x axis and y axis. So the point will be c of 1 comma 1, and d point is on minus x axis and y axis. So the point will be d of minus 1 comma 1. Now along the lines AB, BC, CD, DA. So that is integral c of f bar into dr bar is equals to integral AB of f bar into dr bar plus integral BC of f bar into dr bar plus integral CD of f bar into dr bar plus integral dA bar into f bar into dA bar. So along the line AB bar, integral AB of f bar into dr bar is equals to integral AB into x square minus x into dx plus 0. Here y is equals to minus 1, dy is equals to 0. So here value will become 0. Integral AB of x square minus x into dx. Integral will be from minus 1 to 1. Integral minus 1 to 1 x square minus x into dx equals to minus 1 integral minus 1 to 1 x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 into minus 1 to 1. As integral x square is x power n equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x square is equals to x cube by 3. So we have to add the integrals. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, integral AB bar into f bar into dr bar equals to 2 by 3. Now along the line BC, integral BC of f bar into dr bar is equals to integral BC of 1 plus y into 0 plus 1 plus y square into dy. Here x equals to 1, dx equals to 0. So x value will become 0. So integral BC is equals to 1 plus y square into dy. Y is equals to minus 1 to 1. integral minus 1 to 1 1 plus y square into dy in y plus y cube by 3 minus 1 to 1 dy dx of constant is equals to now 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 1 by 3 2 plus 2 by 3 6 3 into 2 6 plus 2 by 3 8 by 3 integral bc into f bar into dr bar equals to 8 by 3. Now along the line CD, integral CD into f bar into dr bar, integral CD of x square plus x into dx. It is from y, integral are from 1 to minus 1 and y is equals to 1, dy is equals to 0, y value becomes 0. Integral 1 to minus 1 x square plus x into dx. Now x cube by 3 plus x square by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 minus into plus minus minus 1 by 3 minus into plus minus minus 1 by 2 integral Ct of f bar into dr bar is equals to minus 2 by 3. Now along the line dA bar, integral dA of f bar into dr bar is equals to integral dA of 1 plus y square into dy. X equals to 1, dx is equals to 0 and integrals are from 1 to minus 1. So integral 1 to minus 1 into 1 plus y square into dy. Y plus y cube by 3 1 to minus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 to minus 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 minus 1 becomes minus 2 minus 2 by minus 2 minus 2 by 3 equals to minus 6 minus 2 by 3. It becomes minus 8 by 3. Therefore, integral dA bar into f bar into dr bar is equals to minus 8 by 3. So therefore, the integral C of f bar into dr bar equals to integral AB into f into dr bar plus integral BC into f into dr bar plus integral CD into f into dr bar plus integral D of f into dr bar equals to integral C into C to 0 f bar into dr bar is equals to 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 8 by 3 2 plus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 get cancels 8 by 3 minus 8 by 3 get cancels. Therefore the answer is 0. Integral C into f bar into dr bar equals to 0. Thank you so much.